G'day guys, welcome back to the channel, back to another video, and today we are back in Reefton. As you may have seen in the last video, unfortunately last night we did blow an axle shaft. Fortunately someone we knew was coming up from Reefton today and they bought a spare axle shaft for us, so we've thrown that in this morning and we are ready to go take on some tracks in Reefton. Not sure what tracks we're going to do yet. We've got Matt and Kelsey with us and we're going to just go have a play and should make for an awesome video, so let's get into it, eh? Righty guys, so we decided we'd have another stab at Slab Hut after we did another short track which we didn't really film much. It was just so much gorse you couldn't even get out of the car. You may remember a couple videos ago we tried to do Slab Hut in Flynn. My mate in the Zook blew his front diff and we didn't really get very far through it, so we decided we'd run it again and we'll then go find something else after. But yeah, we've just cruised in on the access track. Slab Hut's just the main hill on Slab Hill just behind us there, so we'll get into it. This is as far as we made it last time, and Flynn blew his diff right about there. So from here we're going to continue on up there. There's a few nasty ruts which we'll sneak around the edge of, and then the real interesting stuff gets just up around the corner. So we'll do that. Alrighty guys, well we are at the top of Slab Hut, Slab Hill, whatever it's called, I can't remember. Anyway, what a trip. It's been a while since I've done it. I forgot just how fun it was. Did it with no winching, which was awesome. Made for a nice quick trip. As you can see, the truck's got a good layer of bit of mud all over it, so can't complain. Good time. We'll park up here for a bit, have some lunch, and then yeah, I don't know, we'll go find another track and have a bit more of a play. we've trundled down the main ridgeline track, and we are at the start of what's known as Green Hut. So we'll just nosy our way down there and see how far we can get, go and have a bit more of a play. Right guys, so we've got the pulley block and tree trunk protector over there on the good tree. Run the winch all the way over and then back up to this tree to hopefully pull that away. That's the plan. Now to see if it actually works. Just like that, it's all clear. So log was perfect, broke right where we chopped it a bit. So all clear to drive on through. We drove that little climb, which I was told was going to be the fun bit, but we're at the Green Hut here, so this is it. We'll have a bit of a nosy round, maybe a quick bite to eat or something, and then we'll head back. We didn't actually film much on the way down the nastiest hill, which is going to be fun going back, so there'll be plenty more footage to come, so it should be good. What do you think, Matt?
Small.
Yeah. Coming camping here some stage? Oh, what do you think? Spend a night here? Yeah, oh, it's pretty run down, far out. Oh. How good? Right, we'll turn around and nosy back down. Aha, there has been a driver change for I don't know how long. Must say, it is a very cool track. Very cool track, although I'm not sure how we're going to go getting back out up the really rocky, steep, rutted section, only being on 33s. It's a bit of a gnarly one, but we should be alright, we'll make it work. Might need the winch out a little, but it's what it's there for, it's all part of the fun. guys, well, we made it back out the top. Way easier than we expected. I thought we still had heaps to go because I was like, hard bit's gonna come up, and we just drove out without even the front locker for almost all of it. So that was fun. Truck's all in one piece still. Gave it a real good hard hit in one of the B locks, but I think the rim's straight. Would appear that the rock gave out, not us, so that's got to be a win. But I know we'll continue on the main track, and I know it's stupidly hot. It's so hot today, so I don't know if we'll keep wheeling or just go back to camp and find some shade. But anyway, we've got more to do anyway. It'd be rude not to. Alright guys, so as you saw in yesterday's video, we tried Struggle Street and couldn't drive it, but that's when we found we had a blown axle. So we figure it'd be rude, seeing as we're going past, it'd be rude not to at least give it one small crack and see if we can do it. Obviously we don't want to break the truck because we've got Petrol Hill again tomorrow, so but yeah, we'll give it one nudge. Amazing what an extra wheel driving does. So close to making a day, but got to remember there's another day of wheeling, so I don't want to go breaking stuff. But you can see we're dragging diff still pretty bad, but we'll continue on. This is the hardest piece, it's Struggle Street until the big bog at the end, which we'll not do. We'll just shoot up. It's only like a quick 10-minute track, and turn around, cruise back down, and head back to Reefton and get an ice cream, because this day is only getting hotter. It's insane. Alright guys, so we're at the mud hole that we're not interested in driving. Well, I'm not. Matt wants me to, but it is really undercut. We came in a couple nights ago. We got a message from the Zook boys saying that they had a truck stuck down there with no alternator. So we came in and pulled them out. I'll put a photo in here for you. So yeah, you can see it's pretty deep and pretty nasty. It's real undercut at the end, so we'll just turn around and cruise out the same way we came in. There's no point trying to get through there when we could be getting an ice cream. So priorities, am I right? Well, what a day. That was awesome fun wheeling. Really good tracks, no damage as well, so even better. Truck's looking suitably, oh, that sun's shocking. Truck's looking suitably grubby, so cannot complain. Another great day in Reefton. Well, there we go guys, just like that, another day is done. As you can tell, I'm no longer at Reefton. Forgot to outro the video just like always. Actually on holiday down in Twizel in the caravan. and I brought the computer along so that I could make sure to get a video out for you this Monday. So there you go, thank me later. But no, it was an awesome day. As you could hear, the alternator was really not happy by the end. There's a bearing in it which is definitely let go. We managed to limp it through the last day as well. So the next video coming up is solo run through Petrol Hill. It is awesome. I know we recently put a Petrol Hill video up, so I wanted to make sure it was a different video to the last time. So we made it different, that's for sure. So I'm sure you'll enjoy that, so stay tuned for that. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video. It's been probably one of the favourite trips I've done in a long time. Just a great day of tough adventuring without being too silly. It was just really good fun, and being solo made it a bit of a added challenge as well, but different to usual. But yeah, I think we'll wrap it all up here. So thank you very much for watching. Hit subscribe, stay tuned for more, and yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers for watching. See ya.